Good morning. Today we are going to talk about the second part of our lesson, a measure of dispersion that describes how dispersed or spread out the values in dataset are. We talked about the measure of central tendency. We say that these two types of measure of dispersion and the measure of central tendency, we use them in order to analyze or to compare between a set of data. Let's go to talk about now the second measure, which is the measure of dispersion. And one measure of the dispersion, we call them range. The range is a difference between the maximum or the greatest value minus the minimum value. So in order to find the range in any data, you have to order them from lowest to greatest. Then you have to pick the greatest point minus the lowest point. Then we will find the range. Let's have these two examples here. The closing prices in dollars for the two stocks for the first 5 days in February are shown below. What are the range and mean of each set of data? Use the results to compare the data set. So here, what did we need to find? We need to find the range and we need to find the mean. Now, Now, in order to find the range, as I told you before, you have to arrange them from lowest to greatest. So here, what is the lowest point? It's 25. Then we have 28. Then we have 30, 30, 47. We order them now. So, what is the value of the range? The range, as I told you before, it is in order to find it, you have to subtract the maximum point minus the minimum point. Now, where's the maximum? It's 47. And the minimum, it's 25. When you subtract them, you will find that the range here is 22. Now, what do we need to find? We need to find the mean. The mean is a summation of the values over the number of them, which is 5. So let's add them now. 25 plus 28 plus 30 plus 30 plus 47 over 5. Just 1 minute, please. So now 60 plus 47 plus 28 plus 25 over 5. So we found that the mean here is 32. So now this is the range 22 and this is the mean here 32. Now let's go now to the stock B. In stock B here, we need to find the range. First, remember, when you need to find both of the range and the median, you need to arrange the data. So let's arrange them now. Where's the minimum value? 28, 31, 31, 34, and 36. So the range will be the maximum point minus the minimum point. Now, where's the maximum? 36. Where's the minimum? 28. So we have it here as 8. So that's mean here that the range here is 8. So which one has a greater range? Stock A. Now let's find the mean. In order to find the mean, we have to add them. 34 plus 28 plus 31 plus 36 plus 31 over 5. So let's add them now. 34 plus 28 plus 31 plus 36 plus 31 over 5. They are 160 over 5, which is 32. So they have the same mean, but stock A has a greater range than stock B. So as you see here, both of them have the same mean, 32 and 32 here, they are the same. But stock A, this one here, has a greater range than stock B. So if we compare them here, we have to say that stock A has a greater range than stock B. This is here one of the uses of the mean and mode in order to compare between the data. Now let's have an example here. Here now we have to find the whole of the measures of central tendency and the range for this data here. Now, here now the result of survey for a number of televisions in students' households are shown in the line plot. This one here, we called it line plot. What is the meaning of line plot? That's mean they found that if we have one TV, like one TV on the in the room, two students. They ask two students, they have one. Two TVs, they have 4 students. 3 TVs, we have 6 students. 4 TVs, we have 4 students. 5 TVs, we have 2 students. They represent them. One of how to represent the data, sometimes by histogram, sometimes by the matrices, and sometimes by the line plot. This line plot means if I want to rewrite it, it will be like this. Now, two students have one TV, so 1 is repeated 2 times. Now, 2 students has 4 TVs, so that's mean 2 is repeated 4 times. Now, here we have 6 students has 3 TVs, so that's mean 3 is repeated 6 times. And each student here has 3. And then 4 TVs. How many students have 4 TVs? We have 4 students. So that's mean 4 is repeated 4 times. And then 5. How many students have 5 TVs? Only 2. Yeah. So we have it now as 5 and 5. This is here how we rewrite the data. Now, how to find the mean? In order to find the mean, we have to add them, divide them by the number of them, or you have another way that you can multiply 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, and so on. So we can add them now as summation of all of these data, or as I told you, 1 times 2 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 6 plus 4 times 4 plus 5 times 2 over. Let's now count them or add the number of x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We add them here. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus this is 4, 8, yes, and 6, yeah, 14. Then now. So now 2 plus 8 plus 18 plus 16 plus 10 over 14 will be 3.85. So that's mean the mean here is 3.85. Let's find now the median. The median. Since we have an even number, so that's mean here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The way as I told you before it. 1, 2. Here they are not 14, they are 18. I'm sorry. So that's mean the answer here it was 54 over 18, which is a 3, not 3.85. Okay, so the mean here is a 3. Now, in order to find the median, as the way I told you before it, or I will do it now quickly here. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There, this team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. They are playing together. So here, this is the median will be between 3 and 3, which will be a 3. By finding the mean of these 2 points, so which will be a 3. Now, so we find now the mean, the median. Now let's find the mode. In order to find the mode, here we have to see which point is repeated or has the most frequent number. Look at the line plot here, it's helped me. It's a 3. It's repeated more than or the most frequent number. Now let's come back now to find the range. The range is the greater point, which is 5, minus the minimum point, which is 1. So the range will be 4. This is here how to find the range. That's it. Now, here, which data set has a greater mean and greater median? Here we have company A, monthly earnings $4,000 for company A and company B. Now, in order to find the mean for company A, here the mean 50 times 1 plus 51 times 3. This is another way, or you can rewrite the numbers in repeated frequent as I said before, plus 52 times 3 plus 53 times 2 plus 54 times 2 plus 55 times 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 over 12. So just 1 second, please. So now, when you add them over 12, we get the answer as 52.3. Now, we need to find now the median. In order to find the median, as I told you, you have to rewrite the data as 50, 51, 51, 51, 52, 52, 52, 53, 53, 54, 54, and then 55. Now, we need to find the median. So, as I told you before, this one go with this one, this one with this one, this one with this one, this one with this one, and this one with this one. Then we have then these two numbers. So the median here will be 52 plus 52 over 2, which is 52. So here how to find the mean and the median for company A and company B. And we have to do the same for company B. After that, after you do it for company B, we will conclude that Company B has a greater mean and greater median. Company B has greater mean and median. That's our lesson. Thank you so much.